Well, I guess as it turns out, Sony is kind of known for trying to take down these counterfeit items that make their way onto storefronts like eBay and Amazon online. And now there is one that kind of stands out. They are accusing one eBay seller of selling these counterfeit PS5 items, and they are apparently seeking up to $2 million in damages. Now, I got this from this article right here from the Game Post, and this was just put out today, but it was a filing from about 2 weeks ago. So it says Sony's legal war against counterfeit PlayStation products is showing no signs of slowing down. Talks about how over the past several months there have been multiple lawsuits that have been filed in the US for people selling basically fake PlayStation items on Amazon and Walmart and a lot of other online stores. But with this whole thing from 2 weeks ago, it says according to a new complaint filed on October 24th in Illinois, Sony Interactive Entertainment is suing an eBay seller operating under the alias Zayokuind002. I don't really know how to say it. Now, I looked online for the original source. I did see there was a website that does actually have this filing, so I do believe that this is all legitimate, but I could not obtain the filing. But as I said, the Game Post apparently did obtain this. So they say the filing accuses the seller of trademark infringement and counterfeiting, alleging that the seller directly targets business activities toward consumers in the United States, including Illinois, through a fully interactive e-commerce store and has sold unauthorized products that bear Sony's trademarks to residents of Illinois. So basically the allegations are that this person, this seller, they are posing these items as official Sony products when really they are not. Now, one of the listings in the court document was apparently for a carrying case for a PS5, just as an example, and this was priced at almost $90. But it says that the Game Post did do a follow-up check on the person's eBay account. They found that there was, this was basically deleted from this person's account, allegedly. And I am seeing the person's alleged eBay account right here. It's still up, and I do have to note they apparently have a mostly positive feedback score of 97.8%. I'm looking at their page. I'm not seeing any kind of items that I feel are trying to pose as anything from Sony. I see a lot of like drones and like headset controllers for a Meta Quest, just kind of random tech stuff like this. There is one Nintendo Switch carrying case I'm seeing. I don't feel that it's really trying to pose as an official Nintendo item though, so yeah, maybe the PlayStation items that were on the page have all been removed. I really don't know. Obviously, I can't confirm that. This is just one example of apparently the big wave of lawsuits that Sony has been going through over the past just few months now that are against these third-party sellers, and we will see how all of these lawsuits do end up turning out. But as for this one eBay seller, apparently they are asking for up to $2 million in damages.